Welcome to Thinkspace Media. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of celebrity travel. In this realm of opulence, the sky is not the limit, but rather a playground for the rich and famous. Celebrities are known for their extravagant lifestyles, and when it comes to travel, they take luxury to new heights. From the red carpet to the clouds, these stars spare no expense to ensure their journeys are as glamorous as their destinations. Private jets are the ultimate symbol of wealth and status, and celebrities spare no expense when it comes to flying in style. These airborne palaces offer unparalleled comfort and privacy, allowing A-listers to travel on their own terms. With plush interiors, gourmet meals, and personalized service, private jets transform the mundane act of flying into an exclusive experience. For many celebrities, owning or chartering a private jet is not just a convenience, but a statement of their elite status. We'll explore the astronomical costs associated with these exclusive flights, from hourly rates to annual expenses. Chartering a private jet can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 per hour, depending on the size and luxury of the aircraft. For those who own their jets, the expenses don't stop at the purchase price, which can range from millions to tens of millions of dollars. Maintenance, crew salaries, and fuel costs can add up to several $1,000,000 annually, making private jet travel a significant financial commitment. You'll be shocked to learn just how much some A-listers spend on their airborne extravagance. Celebrities like Taylor Swift and Drake have been reported to spend millions each year on private flights alone. For these stars, the convenience and privacy of flying privately far outweigh the costs. However, such lavish spending raises eyebrows and fuels public curiosity about the true price of living in the lap of luxury. We'll also examine the environmental impact of these lavish travel habits and the growing criticism they face. Private jets are notorious for their high carbon emissions, contributing significantly to environmental pollution. As awareness of climate change grows, celebrities who frequently use private jets are increasingly criticized for their carbon footprint. This scrutiny has led some stars to offset their emissions through carbon credits or switch to more sustainable travel options. Stay tuned as we uncover the jaw-dropping figures behind celebrity private jet usage in this eye-opening exposé. From the staggering costs to the environmental implications, we delve into the world of celebrity travel like never before. Join us as we reveal the hidden truths behind the glamorous facade of private jet travel and the impact it has on our world.